Good morning, students. Sixth Science, Physics and Chemistry, Unit 3, Matter Around Us, Topic Pure Substances and Mixtures. Students, here we see on flow chart. First, what is matter here? Matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space. Okay. An object have mass and occupy space. That object is a matter. Okay, that object is a matter. So matter, anything which has mass and occupy space. Okay, students, clear it. Then this matter is classified into pure substance and mixture. Okay, pure substance and mixture. What is pure substance? A pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. A pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. Okay, students. Then the pure substance may be element or compounds. Pure substance may be element or compound. Okay. Then here we see an element is made up of same kind of atoms. Here we see same color. We denote the same color. Okay. An element is made up of same kind of atoms. Okay, students. Then here we see compound. What is compound? A compound is a substance formed by a chemical combination of two or more elements. Chemical compound. Compound is, what is compound? Chemical combination of two or more elements. Okay, students. Then here we see mixture. What is mixture? Mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances. Mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances. Not only two or more substances, two or more ingredients, two or more elements, etc. Okay, students. Then the mixture is also classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, students. Do you understand? Okay. Students, here we some example of mixtures. Okay, here we see some example of mixture. First one mixture snack. Okay, mixture snack. Then second fruit mixture. Third pongal. Here we see vegetable salad, soda water. Okay, students, from the four mixtures we know these are the physically separable. Okay, then we see here, then here we see first we see the mixture snack. Already we know what are the ingredients to make it. Okay, then we see the fruit salad, fruit mixture. Okay, here we see fruit mixture. Here many fruits are mixed to make it. Okay, already we know. Okay, then here we see in pongal, what are the ingredients to make it? Rice, dal, salt, chilies, peppers, ghee and other ingredients to make pongal. Okay, pongal is an example of mixture. Okay, students. Then here we see the vegetable salad. Vegetable salad, the small pieces of like vegetables to make vegetable salad. Okay, these are the examples of mixtures. Okay, then these are physically separable. Okay, students, here we see examples of mixtures. First mixture snack, and then fruit mixture, third one pongal, fourth one vegetable salad. These are the example of mixture and these are the physically separable. Okay, students. Then here we see fifth one, air. Air is a mixture. It contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, noble gases and other gases. Okay, students. Then we see lemon juice. Here lemon juice is a mixture. It is prepared from lemon extract, water and sugar. Okay, students. here the amount of sugar is added is very different. Okay, so the mixture need not have a fixed proportion of compounds. Okay, the mixture need not have a fixed proportion of components. Okay, students. Then we see here aerated drink. Okay, it is also known as a soft drinks. Okay, for example, soda water, Coca-Cola, 7-Up, Sprite. Okay, students, see all that? Yes. These aerated drinks contains carbon dioxide, water, sweetening, and coloring agents. Okay, it is a mixture. It can be a physical combination of two or more compounds. Okay, two or more compounds. Okay, students, then here we see another one example. 22 karat gold. Okay, 22 karat gold, which is composed of gold and copper or gold and cadmium. Okay, students, and mixture, it is a mixture. It can be a physical combination of two or more elements. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay. From this example, air, lemon juice, aerated drink, 22 karat gold. These are the examples of mixture, but it is cannot physically separable. Okay, students. Finally, we know a mixture is an impure substance and contains more than one kind of particles. A mixture is an impure substance and contains more than one kind of particles. Clear that? Okay. Then in the mixture, the components are mixed in any proportion. Okay, any proportion. In the mixture, the component of mixed in any proportion. Okay, thank you.